Welcome to the in front of me TCL 30EC, and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere application on this device. So first we should go into the Play Store application, and after that here on top, tap on the search pool. And here enter the Ampere. And now we should get this application, so tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while the application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, just click here to open, and here tap to yes I agree, click close, and on the left down corner tap to OK. And now you can see here the information was our device battery temperature. In my case that's 33 degrees. And also here we can find another information about our device battery, like the level, health, capacity, voltage, and more other info like the model for the device, the Android version, and more other info. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.